Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to talk about perspective and how to draw cities and streets in one-point perspective. I'm going to explain you the basic rules for drawing a street view like this. So in the end of this video, you will have the concept of one-point perspective in this kind of drawing. Let's start. So one-point perspective is used when drawing something we are directly facing. This is when we have just one vanishing point on the horizon line, and the best way to start learning perspective drawing is by learning how to draw boxes. So let me quickly show you how to do that. This is the horizon line and this is the vanishing point. I first draw a square anywhere around. Then I trace the converging line going from the vanishing points to each corner of the square. Then I decide where to end the form, and that's it. I also draw here the hidden lines. So in this case, we are directly facing this side of the box. You can imagine it like that. We have a box like this, and we are facing this side. And then you have all these lines, and also the hidden lines, which are behind, all going to this vanishing point. And for drawing this kind of city, imagine all these big tall buildings like tall boxes next to each other, like that. So when drawing, we need to keep that in mind. So I'm drawing another box on the right this time. Another one here. And here. Then you can draw details and then trees and everything that you want. You can also add the windows like that. Let me show you another easy example. So this is your horizon line and vanishing point. So let's draw the side we are facing. Then the converging lines. These are the hidden lines. We don't really have to draw them. This is just to show you. Here is a taller one. Same here. I do the same thing on the other side. So continue to draw boxes of different sizes next to each other. Then let's start adding living details and complete this drawing. So using this concept, you can draw different city views like that. In this case, for example, the vanishing point is behind this building, so it looks like we are directly facing this side. Keep in mind that the horizon line is your eye level. So if you place it lower like this is really going to look like this is the view of someone walking in the street and looking around. It really means that the eye level of this person is on the first floor of the buildings. While on the other one we drew before, it looks like someone is looking out of the window of the 10th floor of a building. And if you want to draw a kind of bird's eye view of a city, you can place the horizon high like that. Then you can also draw a completely high view of a city, like in this picture, where we are directly facing the rooftops of the buildings. Anyway, now I'm going to draw a nice street view inspired by this picture. That's all for this video. I'm going to make another video really soon about this time how to draw cities in 2-point perspective. Let me know if you liked the video, and if you have any question, feel free to ask. Bye!